Ever felt like your crypto was trapped, chained to a desktop, yearning for the freedom of your pocket? You're scrolling through your phone, checking prices, maybe even eyeing a quick trade, but your Newton wallet, the very source of your digital wealth, is just out of reach. You've got that nagging question, how do I get this thing onto my phone already? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced crypto world, mobile access isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. We're constantly on the go, and the ability to manage our investments, make trades, and stay on top of the market from anywhere is crucial. But sometimes, the process of bridging the gap between desktop and mobile can seem daunting. Maybe you've tried searching online, only to be met with outdated tutorials or confusing jargon. Maybe you've downloaded the Newton app and found yourself staring blankly at the login screen, unsure of the next step. Or perhaps you're just new to Newton and want to ensure you set things up correctly from the start. Whatever your reason, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the process of adding your Newton wallet to your phone, step by step, in a way that's clear, concise, and easy to follow. We'll cover everything from downloading the app to securely accessing your account, ensuring you have the confidence to manage your crypto on the go. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Why is having your Newton wallet on your phone so important? Firstly, convenience. Imagine being able to check your portfolio's performance while waiting in line for coffee or swiftly executing a trade during a market dip, all from the palm of your hand. This level of accessibility empowers you to be more responsive and proactive with your investments. Secondly, security. While desktop wallets offer a level of security, mobile wallets, when set up correctly, can provide an additional layer of protection. With features like biometric authentication and two-factor authentication, you can rest assured that your funds are safe and secure. Thirdly, real-time access. The crypto market never sleeps. Having your Newton wallet on your phone allows you to stay connected to the market 24/7, enabling you to react to price fluctuations and seize opportunities as they arise. Now, let's get down to the practical steps. The first thing you'll need is the Newton app. You can find it on the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Simply search for Newton Crypto and download the official app. Make sure you're downloading the app from the official source to avoid any potential scams or fraudulent apps. Once the app is downloaded, open it. You'll be presented with a login screen. Now, this is where many people get confused. You might be tempted to create a new account, but since you already have a Newton wallet on your desktop, you simply need to log in using your existing credentials. Tap the Login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Newton account. This is the same email and password you used to log in on your desktop. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After entering your email and password, you'll likely be asked to complete a two-factor authentication, 2FA, step. This is a crucial security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. If you've already set up 2FA on your desktop, you'll need to use the same authenticator app or SMS code to verify your login on your phone. If you haven't set up 2FA yet, now is a great time to do so. It's highly recommended for securing your crypto assets. Newton supports various 2FA methods, including authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, and SMS verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferred 2FA method. Once you've successfully completed the 2FA step, you'll be logged into your Newton wallet on your phone. You'll see your portfolio, balances, and transaction history, just like you would on your desktop. Now, let's take a moment to explore the app's features and settings. One of the first things you might want to do is enable biometric authentication. This allows you to log in using your fingerprint or facial recognition, providing a convenient and secure way to access your wallet. To enable biometric authentication, navigate to the app settings. Look for an option labeled Biometrics or Fingerprint/Face ID. Toggle the switch to enable this feature and follow the on-screen instructions to register your biometric data. Next, familiarize yourself with the app's navigation and layout. You'll find tabs for your portfolio, trading, funding, and settings. Take some time to explore each section and understand its functionality. The Portfolio tab provides an overview of your holdings, including your balances and recent transactions. The Trading tab allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from your phone. The Funding tab enables you to deposit and withdraw funds from your Newton account. And the Settings tab allows you to manage your account preferences, security settings, and notification settings. One of the most important aspects of using a mobile crypto wallet is security. Here are a few key tips to keep your Newton wallet safe and secure. Keep your phone's operating system and apps up to date. Software updates often include security patches that protect your device from vulnerabilities. Use a strong and unique password for your Newton account. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or reusing passwords from other accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification to access your account. Be cautious of phishing scams. Never click on links or open attachments from unknown sources. Secure your phone with a strong passcode or biometric authentication. This prevents unauthorized access to your device and your Newton wallet. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when accessing your Newton wallet. Public Wi-Fi networks can be insecure and vulnerable to hacking. Regularly back up your phone and your Newton wallet's recovery phrase, if applicable. This ensures you can recover your account in case of device loss or damage. Only download the official Newton app. Be aware of fake apps. If you lose your phone, contact Newton support immediately. They can help you secure your account and prevent unauthorized access. By following these security tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of your funds being compromised. Now, let's address a common question. What if I get a new phone? How do I transfer my Newton wallet to the new device? It's important to remember that your Newton wallet is associated with your account credentials, not your specific device. This means you can access your wallet from any device as long as you have your login information and 2FA method. Having your Newton wallet on your phone opens up a world of possibilities. You can monitor the market, execute trades, and manage your portfolio from anywhere, at any time. This level of accessibility empowers you to be a more informed and active crypto investor. By following these simple steps, you can unlock the full potential of your Newton wallet and experience the freedom of managing your crypto on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.